Manual ribbon batch coding machine. Open the ribbon holder. Load the ribbon roll into the holder. Place the roll in such a way that the ribbon unwinds in the direction of the feed. The use of thermal ribbon ensures smudge-proof and long-lasting prints. It consumes low power, reducing electricity costs for small businesses. Compact and portable design allows easy placement even in small workspaces. Guide the ribbon through the rollers. Attach the open end of the ribbon to the take-up roller. Close the ribbon holder and tighten. This secures the ribbon and prevents it from loosening during operation. Select and place the characters in correct order. Use metal characters to form date, batch number, MRP, etc. Ideal for industries like food processing, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, seeds, spices, and general packaging. Tighten the letters properly. Insert the printing block into the machine. Fit the block with characters into the printing head slot. Make sure it's aligned properly. Turn on the main power switch. The indicator light will glow. Adjust the temperature using the knob, set according to the material type for best results. Take a pouch or label. Place it under the print head, aligning the coding area directly below the heated print block. Press the handle to print. Remove the pouch and check the print quality.